Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin tayo ni bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na nang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa Miss Cosmo 2024. Ito guys yung Queens of Impactful Beauty Reunite for Vietnam. And yeah, support natin ang Miss Cosmo. Siyempre, ang pabato din natin na si Miss Philippines na si Atisa Manalo. Alright, panoorin natin to guys. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
Hello Vietnam. Hello
God, ang gaganda nila, no?
Xin chào Cosmo. Mabuhay Cosmo.
Atisa.
Vietnam.
Wow, ang gaganda nilang lahat.
I am so excited right now, and I'm also a little bit of nervous because there's so many people
Oh,
right
si
now
Miss
just looking at
Pakistan.
me and all the other women who are here, and I'm just looking forward to do this journey with all of you guys. I'm here in Vietnam now, and I'm so excited. I met
Wow.
with a lot of kind
Ang ganda niya, no?
really.
She's
I'm
really
so
beautiful.
shocked. Well, I'm so excited to be here.
Spain.
It's my first time here in Vietnam. And, well, I'm going to get to know His Alexander Cuckoo and to prepare for this.
I feel so
Ang ganda
happy
din
to
nito, no?
represent my
Si Miss
country,
El Salvador.
and I feel so lucky to be here today. Hi,
Oh.
it's Stephanie, Miss Cosmo Portugal. I'm very grateful
She
to be here.
is
I
really
can't
cute.
wait to live all those beautiful memories with all of you, and see you soon. I'm very excited
Oh my God,
to meet
Atisa.
everyone from the girls and the organization, because a big part of how this
Ganda, no?
experience is gonna go is my relationship with everyone. So I'm very excited to meet everyone in the team and all the candidates. I love the people of Vietnam very much.
Cambodia.
Everyone's so kind, so friendly. Thank you for your love and supporting me. See you soon.
We support
on the
you,
next
Cambodia.
Cosmo.
Grabe. Gaganda lahat, no? Ako din, sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood tong competition sa Miss Cosmo. Oh, Thailand. Ang expensive tignan, no? Ang shala.
You know, I saw this one video and Good News Movement.
Daming
in
exposure
Instagram,
ni Gwen,
and
ni Miss
it's a video
Philippines.
of Vietnamese people on a highway, and the cars are covering the motorcycles so they can pass properly because the winds are strong. And I think that's a great example of the people of
Yes.
Vietnam, how you are united and resilient, and it shows the kind and nice heart of Vietnamese people. 3 days ago, I heard about the tsunami and bad weather and bad condition in Vietnam. So I'm really sorry for this. I pray for this, and we will see what we can do.
Yeah.
So at the moment
Beauty
right now,
with a
we are
heart.
having the storm here in Vietnam, which is a really sad thing. And I know some of you guys maybe think that this is gonna go bad or Miss Cosmo will have some changes, but it's okay because we can still do this together and we'll have a wonderful program to you. I know the team behind Miss Cosmo are very good.
We have to use the platform Miss Cosmo to help the people who are really need the support.
Yeah.
Vietnam is not alone, so please, we have to
All of
help
them are
because
so
there's
smart.
a lot of people with a lot of
A good
volunteers,
speaker too.
So we are here.
I encourage people to not give up and fight for Vietnam.
We want to be with you, and if we can help in some way, we will do it, and we are here for it too.
Let's
Yeah.
make a new continent and do it together.
Yes.
Việt Nam ơi, chúng ta hãy cùng cố gắng nha.
Vietnam.
Go land Vietnam! Go land Vietnam! Go land Vietnam! Go land Vietnam!
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Grabe no, ang daming exposure ni Miss Philippines. Ang ganda naman kasi ni Miss Atisa, no? Tapos grabe din siya sa interview. Talagang mic drop. Na-atcho pa eh. Sorry. Excuse me. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo ito guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request sa video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know, bye!